How do I look?
You look good.
Thanks, honey. Oh, am I on?
You've been on for like 10 seconds.
Well, dang it. We should edit that. Probably not. Stouffer's leftover macaroni and cheese. Another one for you. Look at this is what I did. This is my idea. I have no idea if it's going to work. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. Uh, this is what we do. We try new things, and some are successful, some are not. Some are good, some are not. Some are disgusting. I took Stouffer's leftover macaroni and cheese that we had throughout the week. I scooped them into these little balls. I don't remember. This is not a how to make stuff channel, but I froze them. I rolled them and I froze them. Here. Okay, we're gonna attempt to put this macaroni and cheese in meatballs, and then put them out of my little Pit Boss smoker and see how that goes. So this is a lean beef. I think it's 96% lean ground beef. My thoughts were it's not going to shrink as much, and macaroni and cheese go everywhere while they're cooking. And I did season it. My friend JC used to be Music Logic. He doesn't do YouTube too much anymore, actually at all. But I purchased a bunch of his seasonings from him a while back. This is SPG Plus, so salt, pepper, garlic plus. Goes real good on beef. Without further ado, let's see how this works. I was thinking that I would go ahead and prepare some of these ahead of time, but I didn't. So we'll do the obvious thing. We'll try to coat this macaroni and cheese with beef. I don't want it too thick around, but I want it thick enough where it's not going to leak out. That's the challenge, right? So I think we're getting there. No measurements. I think this is a thing. People have obviously done this before. I haven't. Zero experience. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. I don't want the meat too thick around it because I want them to cook relatively quickly. We just need to make sure that everything is sealed. Try to get the meat kind of the same all the way around it. That actually feels pretty good. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I probably won't have enough meat to do all 12, and that's fine. This is just something we're going to snack on to see if it actually works. I'm not going to go through all 12 meatballs with you. Let me see how many I can get, and we will go out and put these on the Pit Boss. I'm trying to get it at 350. It's not hitting 350. It's just a wood chip smoker. You'll see if you haven't seen it yet. I just want to cook it, kind of use it as an oven. Don't even really have any wood chips in there because at 350, you put the wood chips in there, it's just going to be a big old plume of smoke. So trying to use that as an oven. We'll see how it goes. When I get these all done, we'll come on back. Peace. Look at those. I got 7, not 12. Obviously, you know, the more you make, the more meat you buy, depending on how many leftover macaroni and cheese balls you got and stuff like that. Okay. So the Pit Boss, all right, we're sneaking at 310 degrees. I think that's about all she's gonna do. But what you can do on this bad boy is you hit smoke. That'll turn on the element and it'll keep it on until you turn it off. So maybe I was shooting for 350 for like, you know, for like an oven. So let's open this up again. Like I said, here, lizard. I'm going to put this in to catch any kind of grease that drops off. I do have water in the water pan in there. But I'm just going to put these right on this cooking grate, which I did clean and actually turned upside down just so the meatballs don't roll off. So here's a big boy. We're probably going to use that because there's really no way to monitor the temperature of these and get them cooked the way we like them, which here in the house, say what you will, we like our hamburger well done. Okay, we're just going to let it do its thing. I don't know how long it's going to take, but again, this is something to try. You can go ahead and make your own macaroni and cheese if you're, you know, if you're like that and you got time. Stouffer's, we have it once in a while during the week when Don and I are working hard. where we work, eat, and sleep. So a lot of times during the week, it's just simple meals that you can just pop in the oven. Aiden can help make things like that. So when we have stuffers, we never eat the whole thing and we never throw out the leftovers. America. All right. Well, we'll come back when these things are like, I don't know, cooked. Peace. Check it out. I think it actually worked. They were in that pit boss for a long time, so just go ahead and do them in the oven. But I'm a poor guy outdoor cooking, so I insisted on doing them outdoors. They were in there probably hour and a half. But look at them. I mean, they look really good. We're going to go ahead and we're going to slice the big boy of the pack open and see what it looks like. Those look pretty cool. Huh. Let's put these over here. We're going to have to get a thumbnail. Yeah, be right back. Okay, check it out. We did our thumbnail. Dawn and I are going to go ahead and taste these. We'll start with this one. They actually held together. The 96% lean beef, I think, was the trick. Now, it's just a matter of what they taste like. Let me get one of these for Dawn. Give that for her. There's a fork. Let me grab a fork, and we're going naked on these. Cheers. Well, I'll tell you what, it's got some smoke flavor even though I didn't have chips in there. I really like them.
They're good.
Yeah, I'll have to put some kind of condiment on. If it's me, I'm going with mustard. But yeah, that's pretty interesting. Look at those suckers. I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, I like them.
Good.
Yeah, pretty good. Okay, just another idea for you. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Leftover mac and cheese, some hamburger. Why not make meatballs? Peace.